Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's story is called Engine Number 9. This is one of my favorites. I'm also going to leave some links to some more Thomas books that one of our staff, Christina, has read over the summer, so we'll have lots of Thomas books for you to enjoy. I'm going to read Engine Number 9, and it is by Stephanie Kalmanson. So that's the author. The author is the person that wrote the book. And the illustrator is Paul Meisel. And the illustrator is the person that draws the pictures. I like it because it's a rhyming one. You know I like the rhyming books. Look at this. It starts off two silly sheep dancing. Oh, Engine Number 9. Look at that chicken running. Ah. Engine Number 9. Rolling down the line. Wheels are turning, whistles blowing. Soon we'll find out where it's going. Now, do you remember that was where the engine of a train was? And the person driving it was the engineer. That's right. And there's a 9 on the front. The train makes stops along the way. Many want to ride today. First comes Bess with her pet pig. The pig is round and pink and big. How silly, a pig riding on a train with a pie. Oh, next up is the riding stable. Horses gallop, strong and able. Chugging up the hill for woolly sheep and Ranger Bill. This would have been a good story last week with our farm animals, huh? Busy engine number 9, clicking, clacking down the line. Wheels are turning, whistles blowing. Soon we'll find out where it's going. Hey, we learned about trains going on tracks, on bridges. There's the bridge going over the water. So what do you think? Do you have a prediction? Do you have a guess where you think this train might be going? Stop for Jake and his prize cow. Hold your ears. She's talking now. What do you think that cow is saying? Sal's roosters like to strut for a show. Look at us. Hear us crow. There's the cow. There's the chickens. Crowded engine number 9, rumbling down the line. Wheels are turning, whistles blowing. Soon we'll find out where it's going. What do you think? See all those animals sitting in the windows. Oh, where do you think? Ducks and geese wait at the track. Listen to them honk and quack. That's a lot of geese and chickens. Think there's room? One by one, here comes the band. The train is filled, so they must stand. Well, I guess so. That's a lot of people and a lot of animals. Now I'm really excited to find out where they're going. Moms and dads with heels a-clicking carry babies crying, kicking. Lots of crowding, lots of wiggling. Children boarding, shouting and giggling. Look at all those animals. I see lots of happy faces though. Noisy engine number 9, clanking, clanking down the line. Brakes are screeching, train is slowing. Now we'll find out where it's going. I see a clue over here. Does anybody know what that is? Let's see. Happy engine number 9 made it to the fair on time. At the fair, I'll eat and play, enter contests, win today. Hey, we're going to the fair. Look at all those tents. See a Ferris wheel back here. Oh, maybe that's why the pig has the pie. You think the pig will enter her pie in a contest? The train then picks up its riders, each with a ribbon prize cup. Oh, everybody won something at the fair. Sleepy engine number 9, rolling, rolling down the line. What a big day everyone had. Now they're tired, sleepy. Wheels are turning, whistles blowing. Home is where this train is going. I hope you like that story. That's one of my favorites. I like all that rhyming in there. I'll see you next up for our next craft activity. We're going to make our own train name puzzles. So get your things ready. I'll see you in a few minutes.